talking to someone at the gym.
Hi,
Hey!
is this machine free?
Yes, I just finished using it.
Great, thank you.
No problem.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I usually come 3 or 4 times a week.
Wow, that's impressive.
I try to stay consistent. What about you?
I'm just getting started. I joined last week.
Oh, welcome then. How do you like it so far?
I like it, but it's a bit intimidating.
That's normal at the beginning.
Everyone seems to know what they're doing.
It looks like that, but most people felt the same at first.
That makes me feel better. What kind of training do you like?
Mostly cardio for now. I want to build a habit.
That's a good idea. Habits are important.
Yes, I'm trying to take it step by step.
That's the best way. Do you usually work out in the morning or evening?
In the evening, after work.
Same here. Mornings are too early for me.
I agree. I'm not a morning person.
Do you listen to music when you work out?
Yes, it helps me focus.
Me too. It makes time go faster.
Definitely.
Well, thanks again for the machine.
Of course.
Have a good workout.
You too. Good luck.
Starting a conversation at a cafe.
Hi.
Hi.
Is anyone sitting here?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. This place is quite busy today.
Yes, it is. I had to wait a bit to order.
Same here, but the coffee smells really good.
It does. That's why I like coming here.
Do you come here often?
Yes, a few times a week. It's close to my office.
That's convenient. I'm here for the first time.
Oh, really? What do you think so far?
I like it. It feels cozy and relaxed.
Yes, especially in the afternoon.
What did you order?
Just a latte. How about you?
I ordered a cappuccino.
Good choice.
Do you usually work here or just relax?
A bit of both. Sometimes I read, sometimes I work.
That sounds nice.
It's a good change from the office.
I can imagine. Offices can be noisy.
Yes, especially in the morning.
Are you taking a break right now?
Yes, just a short one. How about you?
Same. I needed a moment to slow down.
Coffee helps with that.
Definitely.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, not far from here.
That's nice. This area is great.
I agree. I'm glad I stopped here today.
Me too. It's nice talking to someone new.
Yes, it really is.
Well, enjoy your coffee.
You too. Talking to someone at an event. Hi.
Hi.
Is this your first time at this event?
Yes, it is. What about you?
Same here. I didn't know what to expect.
Me neither. But it seems nice so far.
Yes, the atmosphere is very relaxed.
I agree. Everyone looks friendly.
How did you hear about this event?
A friend told me about it last week.
Oh, that's nice. I saw it online.
Sometimes online events are hit or miss.
That's true, but this one seems well organized.
Yes, I think so too.
Do you come to events like this often?
Not really. I'm usually a bit shy.
Same here. It's not always easy to talk to new people.
Exactly, but I'm glad I came today.
Me too. It's good to step out of your comfort zone.
Definitely.
What do you do, by the way?
I work in marketing. And you?
I work in IT.
Oh, interesting.
Yes, it keeps me busy.
I can imagine.
Are you enjoying the event so far?
Yes, more than I expected.
Same here.
It's nice to meet people with different backgrounds.
I agree. It makes the conversations interesting.
Well, I'm glad we talked.
Me too. It was nice meeting you.
Enjoy the rest of the event.
You too.
Asking for the time.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Sorry to bother you.
No problem.
Do you have the time, please?
Yes, of course. It's 10:15.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I was worried I might be late.
Late for work?
Yes, I have a meeting this morning.
Ah, I see. Meetings are always stressful.
Yes, especially in the morning.
I understand. But you still have time.
That's a relief. How far do you need to go?
Not very far. About 10 minutes. Then you should be fine.
I hope so. Traffic can be unpredictable.
That's true. Today seems calm, though.
Yes, the streets are not too busy.
That helps.
Definitely. Thank you again for your help.
Of course. Happy to help.
I really appreciate it.
No worries at all.
Well, I should get going now.
Yes. Good luck with your meeting.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Sorry to bother you. Can I ask you something?
Sure, no problem.
I'm trying to find the train station.
The train station? Yes, it's not far from here.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Are you walking or driving?
I'm walking.
Okay, go straight down this street.
Straight ahead?
Yes, straight ahead for about 5 minutes.
All right.
Then you'll see a traffic light.
A traffic light. Okay.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left. Got it.
After that, walk 2 more blocks.
2 blocks.
Yes, it's a short walk.
I see.
The station will be on your right.
On the right side.
Exactly, you can't miss it.
Is there a big sign or something?
Yes, there's a large sign in a glass building.
That helps a lot.
Are you in a hurry?
A little. My train leaves soon.
Then you should start walking now.
Yes, I think so too.
If you walk fast, you'll be there in 10 minutes.
That's perfect.
Is this your first time in the city?
Yes, it is. I arrived this morning.
Welcome then.
Thank you. People here are very helpful.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thanks again for your help.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Safe travels.
Sitting next to someone on public transport. Excuse me,
Yes?
is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's quite busy today.
Yes, it is. A lot of people are commuting.
I didn't expect the bus to be so full.
It's usually like this in the morning.
Oh, I see. Do you take this bus every day?
Almost every day, yes.
That must be tiring.
Sometimes, but I'm used to it now.
Where are you heading today?
I'm going to work downtown.
Same here.
Really? What do you do?
I work in an office near the station.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yes, it's close, but the bus is still faster.
I agree. Traffic can be terrible.
Definitely.
Is this your first time taking this route?
Yes, actually. I just moved here.
Welcome then. How do you like the city so far?
I like it. It's busy but interesting.
That's a good way to describe it.
People seem friendly too.
Most of them are, especially if you ask politely.
That's good to know.
Are you getting off at the next stop?
No, I have 2 more stops.
Same for me.
Looks like we're on the same schedule.
Yes, it seems so.
Well, thank you for letting me sit here.
No problem at all.
I hope you have a good day at work.
Thank you, you too.
Small talk while waiting in line.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Is this the line for the tickets?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
The line is quite long today.
Yes, it's longer than usual.
I didn't expect to wait so much.
Me neither. I thought it would be faster.
Do you know why it's so busy?
I think there's an event today.
Oh, that explains it.
Yes, a lot of people are coming because of that.
Are you in a hurry?
A little, but I don't have a choice.
Same here. I need to be somewhere soon.
Hopefully the line starts moving faster.
Yes, I hope so too.
Have you been waiting long?
About 10 minutes already.
Oh wow, that's a while.
It feels longer when you're standing.
That's true. Time goes slower in lines.
At least the weather is nice today.
Yes, that helps a lot.
Imagine waiting in the rain.
That would be terrible.
Do you come here often?
Not really, only once in a while.
Same for me.
Where are you going after this?
I'm meeting a friend nearby.
That sounds nice.
Yes, we haven't seen each other in a long time.
That's always special.
What about you?
I'm just running some errands today.
I see.
Looks like the line is finally moving.
Yes, slowly but surely.
That's better than nothing.
Definitely.
Well, good luck.
Thank you. You too.